Welcome to On-Screen Learning. How to adapt communication methods to meet the needs of customers from differing backgrounds, cultures, and experiences. Within a health and fitness facility, there are many customers from different diverse social, cultural, and economical backgrounds that may also have different levels of fitness abilities and experience. Each customer will have their own individual needs and expectations that relate to their goals and what motivates them to achieve success. As a fitness professional, it is important to respect all customers equally and promote inclusion through understanding that different types of communication, support, and assistance may be required. Communicating in a way that helps to promote a fully inclusive environment may begin prior to the customer entering the health and fitness facility. For example, when communicating with customers through a website, it is important to ensure that all content is clear and concise, with basic terminology used for all customers to understand and relate to. Videos, photographs, and symbols may also be included to help support customers where English is a second language, or where they are new to exercise and fitness and are unsure of what to expect. Offering a variety of different exercise classes suitable for all fitness levels, ages, abilities, and religions, such as female-only sessions, is another good way to promote inclusion. Organizing classes into groups of different color codes, symbols, or numbers may assist customers with easily identifying which classes are the most suitable for their needs and where written information may be more difficult to understand. For example, all beginner-level classes may be referred to by the number 1, or all cardio sessions shown in the color green. Throughout the customer journey, it is essential that the fitness professional demonstrates effective communication skills that can be adapted to meet the needs of all customers in order to promote inclusion and to assist in making the customers feel more valued. This can be achieved by the following methods: welcoming the customer by their name and through the use of eye contact. Demonstrating open body language that portrays an approachable, friendly manner. Using verbal and written language and expressions that are appropriate and suitable for all customers from differing social and cultural backgrounds, ages, gender, and fitness abilities. Keeping terminology and phrases simple when speaking with customers that are new to a fitness environment or where English is a second language. Speaking slower or louder for customers to understand and interpret information, in particular where customers may have a hearing impediment. Be patient, empathetic, and listen attentively to assist customers who may be nervous and new to exercise, English is a second language, or who are elderly customers that may require more time and support. Offering visual demonstrations of exercises and gym etiquette that will especially assist customers who may be unable to read written content in English or may have additional learning needs, such as dyslexia. Respect customers' personal space and requests, in particular when communicating with customers from differing cultural backgrounds. For example, it may not be possible for a male fitness professional to complete an induction client consultation with a female on her own in a private area, or administer any physical measurement tests. Ensuring that a fully inclusive environment is provided for all customers that meet their needs and expectations. This will lead to greater customer retention, positive feedback and reputation, and an increase in growth and revenue.